Hey, my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm back, and this time I have a Born Pretty store review. I have two different gel polish. These are cat eye, so I will show you each one of them. I also want to say I've been away because I did have a little accident. I burned two of my fingers on my right hand, and it looked really disgusting. It's getting better, and as you guys can see, I think you guys can actually see that. I know you guys definitely see that. But anyways, things happen and there's not much you can do other than, try to get better. And yeah, so we're going to go ahead and get started. I have the first one that I'm going to show you. Let me look. Is this colorful sparkling cat eye magnetic gel. This one is CS02. So we're gonna go ahead and show you, and it looks like this. So for this polish you will need a magnet, and that's exactly what I have here. I will try to look for the link for this also in case you guys don't have it. The next one that I have is this one. I definitely cannot read that, as you guys can see, but this one is CF03, and this one is called a Flowing Sparkle Cat Eye Gel Polish. Let me just show you. It's a beautiful sparkling. Oh my goodness, yes. So this one is also a cat eye. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. I will swatch this one, the first one that I show you, on a pop stick, and this is the one that I will put on my nails, which is CF03. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna start by applying the first on the first nail. Just kind of go over with you guys. Now I know if you put this over black polish, it's gonna be better because it's gonna become more opaque, and it's probably what I should have done, but I didn't really thought about it. So let me just go ahead and cure the first coat for 30 seconds. You will need a lamp, UV or LED lamp. I will cure for 30 seconds. You guys, so I decided to apply a thin coat of black just so we can see the difference, but I will apply another coat without the black, and then I'm also going to apply it over the black. Okay. Make sure you apply it evenly over the black so it's gonna look nice, and that's how it looks. So let's use this magnet. I don't know if you guys see the difference or not. So I'm gonna go ahead and cure this for 30 seconds. And then I'm gonna go ahead and apply another coat. Alright you guys, so this is how my polish looks after the first coat. Well, this one 2 and this one 1, but I'm gonna go ahead and apply another one. So I would say definitely apply it over another, especially black, I would say, for this color. And I really like how it looks over black. And I'm just, this is my last coat that I'm gonna apply. And I don't know if you guys see it right there. I can see it right there. So definitely you see it more over black. So I'm gonna go ahead and cure, and I'm gonna do the rest of the nails over black, and I'll be back to talk to you guys. Alright guys, so I'm done swatching this one also, and I want you guys to see how pretty is that. It's beautiful. So the one that I put on my nails, definitely you will need the black base. It looks way better, and I hope you guys can see the cat eye right there. Yeah, it's really pretty, and definitely over black. So I will leave all the information, all the links for these two. I definitely recommend them. I guess it depends on what you like. I really like both. I don't know, I'm a fan of glittery, holographic, sparkly glitters. They look really beautiful. So I will leave all the information, and I hope you guys like this review. I hope everyone is doing okay. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on my next one. Don't forget to also like, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye, you guys. Bye.